holiday tablescape this year is inspired by a monochromatic look, and I wanted to use a lot of things that I already had on hand to keep it minimal and simple. A lot of things that I purchase, I'm able to use over and over again. So I'm reusing my white linen, all my glassware, and the few things that I did buy are these taper candles I found at Target. I thought they were fun and unique. And over the summer, I purchased these plates from, believe it or not, Walmart for under $4 a piece. They are from their Better Home and Garden collection. Earlier this week, I posted a full tutorial on how to make this dried centerpiece using dried goods and bleached floral items. It is one of my favorites today and is really the showstopper of this tablescape. All things are from my favorite shop, Petal Driven. By using all the same color tones, whites and creams, clear glass, cream pottery, and of course all the dried goods, it creates a very visual, appealing display. It is simple, it is stunning, it is one of my favorite tablescapes I've put to date, and again, I had to spend very little money aside from the centerpiece to make this come together, and I used pretty much everything that I had on hand. Recreating this would be simple and easy if you wanted to do so in time for Thanksgiving or a special holiday dinner, or even just moving into the new year. This can be recreated any time of the year and I think make a huge impact on your guests. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you guys have a really wonderful Thanksgiving.